Hi, it's Allie from American Furniture Warehouse, and I'm here with you on today's Designer's Den talking about gifting and gifts. Really, we're going to stick to smaller gifts that you might use for a relative you don't know that well, or maybe an office white elephant. We're going to start right here at gifts under $25. So this is for maybe you have a friend gift exchange or a white elephant at your office. Things that you know you're not going to break the bank on. 25 bucks, we can do that. You've got festive pillows like this one here. It's one of many, kind of keeping within the season. Candle holders. We've also got diffusers. Maybe your friends are a little more, environmentally friendly. Is that what diffusers are even for? I've never understood them, so if you're in my white elephant, don't get that for me. We're going to move on to our gifts under $50. This is maybe if you've got a big family and you just want to find something cute and fun. We've got accessories. Now these are well under $50, but you could maybe get several if you know somebody's design aesthetic. If you've got plant parents in your life, awesome planters that can be used with a faux greenery or without. Maybe they have a real plant that they'd love to showcase. I kill them, so I don't know what real plants are even like. Some furniture and accessories you can find for under $50, but mostly everything on top of this table right here, look for the blue sign, is gonna get you that under $50 price point that's sure to make whoever is getting this gift super happy. Now, if you're a real money pants, say you got a whole lot of money. I obviously don't. I don't even know the phrase. Gifts under $100. Now this can get you a lot. That can mean furniture here at AFW. This table just over at $118, so maybe you've got that extra $20 to spend, but we've got a 3-piece set right here that's under $100. All of these accessories, pillows, you could go nuts on this table really and get a ton of stuff for under $100, which, I think is great. $100 at Christmas? I'd love someone to spend that on me, and I'd love them to spend it at AFW because it's gonna go really far. We've got a ton of items that are gonna be marked down for the holiday season. We've also got a lot of festive things that will fit well in your home for the holiday season. And all these gift ideas are really just a suggestion. You can browse afw.com and find our full list of products there. We're gonna be back next week giving you some tips on how to get your home totally holiday ready. And until then, start brainstorming on gifts and check out our gift guide for more.